Welcome to the Brothers Workshop. My name is Sean, and in this video we're going to be talking about replacing your grill on your 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. Now this works for your 2014 all the way up to your 2019. We're just so happen to be working on a 2017 here. We got this from Amazon, and if you want one of these for yourself, go ahead and take a look in the description below. And just like that, let me show you how easy it is to install this. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood. Then we're going to take a look at the front of the truck here. We have a shroud that runs the entire length of the front of the vehicle. That has to be removed in order to gain access behind the grill. In order to remove this shroud or cover, we're going to have to take all these push pins out, and we have about 12 of them. If you don't have a trim tool, you guys can use a flathead screwdriver to go ahead and pop these up and help remove the push buttons. In order to remove these, all you do is take a flathead screwdriver and pry it up, and then get under the bottom, pop it out just like that. Once you've got all those push pins out, it's time to remove the shroud, and it just comes right out. So up under the front wheel wells on both your passenger and driver's side, we have to loosen up and remove a 7mm bolt that holds this plastic piece on. Once we do that, we could actually take this bottom trim off. Okay, that's going to help us expose the back end of this piece right here. Now we could expose this. This right here is the back end of the trim. I switched to my drill because up in here is really hard to get bolt. Again, 7mm. We're going to come up underneath the truck here. What you're looking at here is the back side of that trim piece that has to be removed that we're working on. This right here is one of those tabs that hold it in place, and you have several of them along the front here, but this is just one of them. All we're going to do is push the little tab up just like that and push it out. Once you've gone ahead and popped all of those out, this will come out easily. Now that I've gone ahead and removed the trim, we can go ahead and remove the bolts that hold the grill on. Now on the bottom here, we're going to have 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, and finally 4. Now top side, you're going to have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a quick look at where these bolts are located up top here. It's the first one, it's the second one, the third, and finally the fourth. Underneath, you're going to have one that's located right here, 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 and finally over here. So you have 8 altogether. Alright, we're going to bring this one over here because we have to remove this piece here, and again it is held on with these little tabs, these push pin things. So we'll just pop them up like we did before, and we want to put them in a safe place so we don't lose them. And we'll keep working our way around. Once we have the tabs out, go ahead and remove it, set to the side. GMC logo could be found right there in the center, and you can see that we have plastic tabs that hold into place, and there are pretty much pins or little tabs that have to be kind of bent back so that we can get it out. Be careful with it because it is fragile. So I'm just taking a screwdriver, I'm slightly bending them back. Flip the grill upside down. I'm going to go ahead and work these into place. Now it came with some screws, so it's not like OEM. We're going to have to use these screws. Now the one thing I'll say is that this does not actually fit correctly. If you need or want one of these grills for yourself, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have it linked right there for you. All right, finishing this up, we just have to put our bolts back. Now it's time to place that trim back in, and all we do is line it up. And once we have it lined up, we just give it some taps. Once we have the grill on and secured with that trim piece, we'll go ahead and pop the shroud back on. Just have to get the push pins to finish install. Just popping these two back into place. Super easy. There you have it, guys. It was that easy to install this aftermarket grill on my 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. It's far from perfect. I mean, it is aftermarket and it is from Amazon, but it looks just like factory and OEM once you get it on the truck. There's a couple things we had to finagle, but other than a few goofy things here and there, I think it went on pretty easily. And I mean, as you guys can see. So if you guys liked the video, if you're going to get one of these for yourself, go ahead and take a look in the description below. I have it linked right there for you. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2019 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverados that we all know and love. And we'll catch you in the next one.